Welcome to Speak Korean with Juhi channel. I'm Korean tutor Juhi. Today we will learn Korean alphabet together. A, A, O, 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 U, 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 E, E, Ya, Ya, Yo, 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 U, U, E, 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 E. Let's start one by one. A, O, O. In this time, you need to make your lip shape should be circle and say O, O. U should be a little long sound. U, U. The most difficult one is this one. U, U. This is like that. When you saw a gross insect, then you can say ooh like this. That one is the same word. So ooh, ooh. That is this sound. And next, E, E, ya, ya, yo, 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 you, you, e, and the last one, e, both the same pronunciation. Okay, then let's move the consonants together. 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 부, 스. It does not have any sound. 즈, 치, 크, 트, 프, 흐. Let's check from the first one. 그 sound. Middle sounds of 그 and cake sound. So 그. 느. Alphabet N sound, N sound. 드. 르. 무, M sound. 부. Sometimes like B and sometimes like P. S. That one does not have sound, mute sound. So you don't need to read it. And Z. G sound and J sound also has both. Ch, k is also alphabet C and K sound. T, p, h. Let's have a short test. What sound it is? A, 요, 어, 으, 우, 에, 흐, 그, 르, 프, 드, 츠, 트, 무. In the next time, we will check these ones together. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕.